First, take out of all items from the package. Package includes monitor, power cords, cigarette lighter adapter, strap, camera, antenna, T-taps and bracket. Follow my operation. Pick up the monitor. Align the bracket with the slot on the back of the monitor and snap it in. Mount the antenna on the monitor. Pick up the power cord with the power board. Connect the power cable with the power board to the camera. Pick up another power cord. Connect the power cord to the monitor. Pick up the cigarette lighter adapter. Connect the green connector to the cigarette lighter. Use a tool to loosen the screw of the green connector. Connect the two thin red wires of the power cord to the positive side of the green connector. Tighten the screws. Use a tool to loosen the screw. Connect the two thin black wires of the power cord to the negative side of the green connector. Tighten the screws. Plug the cigarette lighter adapter to the power outlet. Press the red button lights up. The monitor lights up and the image appear on the screen. The testing finished. The easiest way is connect the monitor to cigarette lighter outlet. Plug the cigarette lighter adapter to the power outlet. Press the red button lights up.
The monitor lights up and the screen shows no signal.
Connect the power cable with the power board to the camera.
The red wire is connected to the positive pole of the reversing lights, tail lights, and license plate lights. The black wire is connected to the negative pole of the reversing light, tail light, and license plate light.
The indicator of power board lights up. The image appear on the screen.
There are three keys: plus, up, key, M, menu, key, minus, down, key.
Press the M key to switch to the pair. You cannot enter pairing mode when there is an image. Press the M key to switch to the brightness. Press up or down key to adjust brightness. Press the M key to switch to the contrast. Press up or down key to adjust contrast. Press the M key to switch to the hue. Press up or down key to adjust hue. Press the M key to switch to the flip mode. Press up or down key to select the flip mode you need. Press the M key to switch to the guideline. On is open, off is closed. Press up or down key to turn off the guideline. After 8 seconds, the system automatically exits the menu mode.
The guideline not appear on the screen.
Presses the M key to switch to the guideline. Press up or down key to turn on the guideline. After 8 seconds, the system automatically exits the menu mode. The guideline appear on the screen. Presses the M key to switch to the image enlargement. Press the up or down key to zoom in or zoom out the image. Press the M key to switch to the image movement. Press the up or down key to move the image up and down or left and right.
Press the M key to switch to the version information. Press the M key again to quit the menu mode.
Press the up key to switch to the CAM2 channel. Press the up key again to switch to the split mode. Press the up key again to switch to the CAM1 channel. When the guideline appear on the screen, press the down key, the H appear on the screen. Press the up key to adjust the height of the guideline. Press the down key, the W appear on the screen. Press the up key to adjust the width of the guideline. Press the down key, the M appear on the screen. Press the up key to move the guideline left or right. Now the monitor is on CAM1 channel. Press the up key to switch to the CAM2 channel. Pick up the second camera. Connect the camera to the power cable with the power board. The red wire is connected to the positive pole of the reversing lights, tail lights, and license plate lights.
The black wire is connected to the negative pole of the reversing light, tail light, and license plate light.
The indicator of power board lights up. Press the M key to enter the menu mode. Press the up key to enter the pair countdown. The image appears on the screen, indicating that the pairing is successful. Remove the protective film from the camera before use. Press the up key to switch to the split mode. Both channels have images. The process of connecting the camera to the lamp line. T-taps. T-taps has 2 holes and 1 hole is closed. The long line is the line of the lamp or the circuit line on the car. Thrust the car light line into the first hole. Camera power cord. Plug the power cord into the second hole. Iron sheets. Clamp the iron sheet to the tap's bottom.